have launched a new website and I'm going to show you how to register for classes. Simply navigate to sbwi.edu and click on the classes button. This will take you to a list of all of our classes. We got a lot of feedback from you last year that it was hard to sort through all the classes to see which one you wanted. So we've added 2 new features. One is search bar right here, and then another is a filter. So you can filter by date range or subject matter. For instance, if you like timber framing, just click on timber framing. You can also choose which level you'd like to see and the type of skill taught. Many of you opted for more design classes on our survey last year, so we've added some more design classes for you. You can also choose a style of furniture or a project type or your favorite instructor. So if you click right here, we can see that Luke has a Windsor chair class coming up. And to register for it, you just click register now. This will open up a text box for you to fill out very simply, and then click next. Now we do have a new feature where you can actually gift a class to someone. If you'd like to gift a class, you simply check this box right here and it will open up the fields for you to fill out for the person receiving the gift. I'm just going to shortly fill this out to show you the next screen. The next screen actually will allow you to register more than one person at once. So say your family wants to come with you and take this class as well. Then you would click, yes, I'd like to register other people to this course. This is where you fill out the other participants. If it's just you, click no, I'd like to carry on. Then it will take you to the next screen where you will verify your information and then enter your payment. It's very simple, and we hope it makes it easier for you to sort through classes and find what you're really looking for. But if you have any questions, you can email me, Dina@sbwi.edu. Thank you. Have a great day, everybody.